Can you think of a more controversial clothing item than the hijab? For some, it's a symbol of oppression or radical Islam. For others, it is a statement of Muslim identity and a symbol of liberation from being judged by looks or viewed as a sexual object. But let's stop thinking in stereotypes. Many Muslim women who cover their heads are cosmopolitan, modern, professional women. On the other hand, others do not cover their hair because they, like some Islamic scholars, believe that this is not a prescribed part of dressing modestly. Many people make the mistake of equating wearing the hijab with piety. As for me, I believe that the basic issue is one of modesty. Muslims, whether male or female, are to act and dress modestly. As a woman, I shudder at the thought of sharing a husband. I feel that there is nothing to justify my husband marrying more than one. Unfortunately, many Muslim men choose to focus on the Quranic verse that states that they can marry 4 women and ignore the other part of the same verse, which strongly discourages polygamy.